So hey guys, Dylan here. I'm going to be busting my box of titanium now. So let's start. My box of titanium. Empty pack. So let's get some two huge packs, so let's save them. Oh, right off the bat we got a hat trick of Kari Lehtonen, Loui Eriksson, and Tom Wendell. And that is numbered to 199. So not a bad hit. To start, pack number 2. Oh, here we go. Ryan Miller, away jersey auto, dual jersey auto, number 2 of 50. I've gotten one of these in every box I've gotten. 2 of 50 of Ryan Miller. That's sick. Right on. Okay, so pack numero 3. We got a game-worn gear of Tobias Enstrom for the Jets. Okay, so now we got our 2 thick packs, which probably... Let's do this one. I'll just see if it's... Alright, it's a decoy, so huge decoy. Sidney Crosby. And Dwight King, New Wave Auto. Dwight King. Alright, so last pack. Let's hope it's something huge. Another decoy. So we got Brad Richards, Brian Kessler, Timo Palmieri. It says he was traded to the Devils. And that is it. So, recap super quick. Timo Palmieri, Dwight King, Tobias Enstrom, Kari Lehtonen, Loui Eriksson, and Tom Wendell, numbered 199. And then the hit of the box is Ryan Miller, away dual jersey auto, number 2 of 50. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.